Hey there. Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense.
In the second slide, we have write the pronouns that come before nouns or adjectives and nouns. So these pronouns, for example, let's take mother as a noun. So the pronoun that comes after mother, it's not I. We don't say I mother. We don't say mother me. So the pronoun is my mother, my mother, my father, my sister, my brother, my school. So do you know the family of these pronouns? Let's see the slide, the answers. So the answers, so these pronouns, we call them possessive pronouns. So we have my school, my class, my teacher, your, or we can say my beautiful mother, my dear mother. So we have adjective and a noun. My house, my amazing house. So we use it with nouns or adjectives and nouns. Your car or your expensive car. His friend, his intimate friend. So we have adjective and noun. Her cat, her cute cat. Its size, its small size. Our garden, our lovely garden. Our mother, our father, etc. Your in the plural form, your pens, your colored pens, their country, their beautiful country. So these pronouns, we call them in English possessive adjectives,